Hello and welcome to today's news. Elon Musk's SpaceX company's latest rocket, Starship, had a disastrous launch on its maiden flight. The rocket, the biggest ever developed, exploded on Thursday morning local time, just 2 to 3 minutes after liftoff from Texas' east coast. Despite the rocket being destroyed, no one was hurt during the uncrewed test. SpaceX engineers still consider the mission a success, saying that they like to test early and often, and learn from their mistakes. The company plans to try again in a few months, with a second Starship almost ready for takeoff. The Federal Aviation Administration will oversee an investigation into the mishap. As is standard practice when a vehicle is lost in flight, a spokesperson for the organization said. Elon Musk tried to temper expectations before the launch, stating that just getting the vehicle off the ground without destroying the launch pad infrastructure would be considered a win. However, things quickly took a turn for the worse as the rocket started to tumble out of control, with onboard charges soon destroying it. As the rocket climbed higher and higher, it was evident that 6 of the 33 engines at the base of the vehicle had been shut down or had flamed out. 3 minutes into the flight, when the two halves of the vehicle should have been separating, they were still connected and veering off course. At launch plus 4 minutes, as Starship was losing altitude, a large explosion ripped across the blue sky, the result of computers or someone on the ground triggering the vehicle's Flight Termination System, FTS. Although Starship's launch was a failure, SpaceX engineers say that they learned a tremendous amount about the vehicle and ground systems, which will help them improve on future flights. The rocket has the potential to be transformative, with a prospective payload performance to orbit of more than 100 tons per flight. SpaceX plans to use Starship initially to launch thousands more satellites for its broadband internet constellation in the sky, Starlink. Eventually, the company hopes to land both halves of the rocket, refuel them, and launch again, over and over. If achieved, this could open up an exciting future for space travel.